edits actually change their brain's physiology? Okay. Researchers in 2015 discovered that more than 60% of the RNA in an octopus's nervous system was altered due to this process. Octopuses. Not too many people are enlightened by what amazing creatures they are. Octopuses evolved differently from any other species on the planet. For scale, we have an estimated 1.3 million identified species, but we'll get back to that biology lesson later. Octopuses have blue blood. Yep, their blood is literally blue. But the thing that I found most interesting about octopuses is that they live fast and die young. Not my cup of tea, but to each his own, right? Starting from the top, I'd like to talk about the RNA structure and what it does to octopuses that causes them to evolve differently from any other species on the planet. In Science article, Octopus and Squid Evolution is officially weirder than we could have ever imagined, they discuss RNA editing within cephalopods. RNA editing is a molecular process through which some cells can make discrete changes to specific nucleotide sequences within an RNA molecule after it has been generated by RNA polymerase. Some scientists believe that octopuses did a trade-off in order to be able to do this RNA editing by evolving very, very slowly. This editing also helps to aid in their intelligence level. Octopuses are extremely smart. They've been known to be great escape artists and even photographers. Conspiracy theories circle around octopuses. One group of scientists who wrote Progress in Biophysics and Molecular Biology believe that they are aliens since their genes aren't found in any pre-existing life forms. Researcher Caroline Albertine argued this theory with proof that octopus DNA shares a lot of the same genes with other animals on our planet. Now that we've just retaken a course in biology, let's talk about how octopuses have blue blood. Not to be confused with the CBS series Blue Bloods. No, we're talking about the fact that octopuses have literal blue blood. Octopuses switched out iron in their blood in exchange for a copper-based protein that will bind with the oxygen instead. This copper-based protein becomes more efficient for them when they are in low oxygen environments. Hemocyanin gives the blood the blue pigment along with the ability to keep the creatures alive at extreme temperatures. Hemocyanin also allows octopuses to keep a steady flow of oxygen to their 3 hearts when they're in environments with a low oxygen supply. Now that we've gone over that blue blood runs through an octopus, let's talk about how they live fast and die young. How old do you think an octopus can get? If I were to throw a random number out, I would probably say anywhere between 50 to 60 years. Well, I was so wrong. Octopuses only live an average of 1 to 5 years. It's a very short lifespan when you compare them to other sea creatures. One reason why female octopuses have such a short lifespan is because they are semiparous animals. Semiparous means that female octopuses die after reproducing just one time. Once the egg has been laid, the female octopus will often eat their partners, then causing the male octopus to have a very short lifespan as well. The female octopus will quit eating after laying the egg and will waste away gradually. Now, there are some instances where the female will try to speed up the process of death by banging their head on rocks or by eating away at their own skin and tentacles. But enough of those cringeworthy facts. Given everything you've learned, let's take a quick recap over a few of the amazing qualities of octopuses. Octopuses evolve differently from any other species on the planet. They go through a process called RNA editing that aids in reconstructing a specific nucleotide sequence within an RNA molecule. Octopuses have blue blood, but that doesn't make them aliens. Hemocyanin is a pigment that turns their blood blue and helps keep a steady supply of oxygen when oxygen levels are low in extreme environments. Last but not least, octopuses live fast and die young. Neither gender makes life much past the reproduction phase. Most females will eat their partners after, and then the female will slowly die, or they'll speed up the process by eating away at their own flesh. Octopuses are truly amazing creatures, or octopi, or octopodes, or however you want to say it, because they're all grammatically correct. Thank you.